Let's begin with on-premise model that most of the organizations are currently using. The first feature is infrastructure or application dedicated to. In the case of on-premise deployment model, the infrastructure or application is dedicated to only single customer. The company who will buy the SAP solution will only use that. There will be no other customer using the same. It provides high level of physical security to company servers. A company can manage the way they want to manage it. For example, Airbus has bought SAP solution, so the solution is completely dedicated to Airbus only. Boeing cannot use the SAP system that is solely configured for Airbus. The next feature is infrastructure or application management. In case of on-premise system, the infrastructure or application is management by either the customer or the third-party company. The customer will take care that everything is working fine in the infrastructure and in the application. The update cycle. In the on-premise system, the update cycle is completely controlled by customer. The customer will decide whether he wants to upgrade or not. For example, in case of SAP NetWeaver, the customer will decide whether they want to upgrade it from 4.6c to 7.5 or not. Let's talk about modification. You may already know that in SAP NetWeaver system, we used to do the enhancements. For example, user exit, customer exit, body, or BTE. It all indicates that the system is modifiable. From the perspective of configuration, the on-premise system is highly customizable. The customer can change the system the way they want to change. They can perform any type of customizing. The last point is why would a company go for on-premise system? The reason is they want to have the full control of the system, but they have to compromise with cloud features because the cloud features are not available in the on-premise.